that before we start Ramayana prescribed by Goswami Tulsidas at the instruction of Bhagwan Shiva, it is mandatory we do Ramayana Sumiran, paying homage to primarily the Ganapati Baba and the Devatas or Guru. Bando Gurupad, Kanja Hari. And here the name begins with Hari. Kanja Hari, who is Hari? Hari is Sri Ram, Lord Vishnu. So we begin tonight in Balkan. Balkan is said to be the roots of Ramayana, the roots of our Dharma Shastras in Ramayana, Sanatan philosophy. The roots of our family tree, where Tulsidas, in this part of the story, he dreams of his writing to be true, and he wishes them to come true. Tulsidas writes at the glory and instruction of Bhagwan Shiva, to the glory of our ears as we do Duha. यदि मुझ पर श्री शिवजी और पार्वती जी की स्वापन मैं भी सचामुच प्रसन्न आता हूं, तो मैंने इस भाषा कविता को जो प्रभाव कहा है वह सब सच हो. In this Doha, the underlining word here, as we will learn, is sapne. Sapne comes from the word sapna. And it says in the summary, if the grace of Shiva and Parvati be at all with me, and this is interpreting Tulsidas here, and be with me tonight, be with all of us tonight, even in my dream, then all the influence I claim in my verses in Ramayana, in Hanuman Chalisa, composed, they shall all come true. Tulsidas writing. And he's expressing himself in devotion. But why Tulsidas mentioned Shiva? Why he mentioned Parvati? It says here, Gauri Pasau. Gauri is another name of Parvati Ma. Why Shiva? Shiva is the auspicious one. He is Shiva Tanobhava. Shiva is Srishti. He is creation. He is the embodiment of Kal. And that Kal is representation of time, which is the past, the present, and the future. When we recognize Bhagwan Shiva, what do we recite? Om, shall we all recite together? Karpura Gauram. What's the next line? Sansara Saram. Beautiful. Sadava Santam. Bhavam Bhavame. Bhavam Bhavame. Karpura Gauram. Karunavataram. O Lord Shiva, one who is pure white like camphor and is an incarnation of compassion. Sara Sansara Saram Bhujagendraharam. He is the essence of worldly existence, whose garland is the king of serpents. Sada Vasantam Hirdayara Vinde, always dwelled inside the lotus of the heart. भवम भवामि सहितम नमामि. I bow to Shiva and Shakti together. I bow to Shiva and Shakti together. And here we enter a glorious entrance of our Prabhu who has come here today. Shall we all rise as we welcome Sri Ram? Bhajan? Arti? Shuru? So they will Arti Sri Ram, who has come to depict this picture here for us tonight. So we have these beautiful kids, well, young ladies. Go ahead and Arti and take blessings. Om yani kani japapani janmantar katani cha tani tani vinasyanti pradakshina prade prade. Keep Arti.
रघुपति राघव राधा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 बड़ प्यारे तू सीताराम राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम
Say Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram.
राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम जय राम सिया राम सिया राम अयोध्या अयोध्या ये मेरे प्यारे राम बोलो जय जय श्री राम जय राम सिया राम
So, yes, go ahead, Chandan. So while they're placing Chandan and Atar on Sri Ram, we have waited more than 500 years for the return of Sri Ram. Our dynasty, the Raghu dynasty of which we all emerged from, we are this once in a lifetime where all this turmoil would have happened in Ayodhya by the different changing of dynamics in kings and different set of people who have invaded India, so to speak. Today, by court order, land was given back to the Hindus. Ayodhya Bharat. And as thus, a mandir is being named, inauguration of Sri Ram in Ayodhya. Sri Ram now will be at Stapanam Vidam, Abhishekam will be done to Sri Ram on the 22nd of January. And this is part of this very sacred concept and principle as we invite Sri Ram in our very local figure here. It's all about a dream of Tulsidas as prescribed by Shiva. Thank you. So coming back to our Doha, you may have a seat, sir, so relax. We recite what Shiva recite, Karpura Gauram Karnavataram. And the Doha, Sapne hum sachevu mohi, the operative word as I mentioned is that of sapna, sapne, which comes from the verb sapna. And sapna means, anybody can tell me what sapna means? Dream. So Tulsidas dreams of his writing. Here this Doha is telling us the underlining word here is that of sapna. To dream of what? To dream of love, to dream of success, to dream of the divine celestial. Tulsidas here is dreaming of his writings. And when we dream, what do we sing? Do we have more than that? Do we have more material? सपनों में प्यारे सो रखिया देखा प्यारे ना सपनों में प्यारे सो रखिया देखा प्यारे शिवाजी वो प्यारे शिवाजी वो प्यारे शिवाजी सपनों में प्यारे सो रखिया देखा प्यारे शिवाजी सपनों में प्यारे सो रखिया देखा प्यारे शिवाजी भूल रही है भूल करने डाले भूल रही है भूल करने डाले अब वो कहते मेरे मन की बितारो प्यारे शिवाजी सपनों में प्यारे को रखिया दिखा दो प्यारे शिवाजी हो प्यारे शिवाजी हो प्यारे शिवाजी सपनों में प्यारे को रखिया दिखा दो प्यारे शिवाजी प्यारे शिवाजी Pyare means to love. In the name of the love of Shivaji, we dream of whatever we want to accomplish in this life in Sanatana Dharma. Introspection. We have come to this country. Whatever we want to dream about, we can put that same dream into perspective as Tulsidas has done. And you can accomplish your dream by first you have to dream it. You have to process it. Bhagavan Krishna speaks, Mal Vikshep Avram. Remove the negative vices and what? Be in submission to Him, put the power of the spoken word into it, and everything goes in unity. And everything comes power. He says, you grant desires to all. Of all the celestials, you show me mercy. Give me mercy and happiness, O Prabhu. Beautiful Chaupai. Shall we sing together? Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. 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 Ban gawa अति पावने सरजु सरे कले कल सन समाने राम सिया राम जय जय राम। मैं अति पवित्र श्री अयोध्यापुरी और कलयुग के पापों के नाश करने वाले श्री सरायू नदी की वंदना करता हूं। फिर अवधपुरी की उन नर नारायण को प्रणाम करता हूं जिन पर प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र की ममता थोड़ी नहीं है, अर्थात बहुत है। Powerful Hindi language in the narration of Goswami Tulsidas. The meaning of this Banda Avadapuri. Avad is our ancestry where we came from. I worship the most holy city from where the location we came from. Awadpuri is referring to Ayodhya. I worship the most holy city, Ayodhya Puri, and the Sarju river that washes away the impurities of Kali. And again, I do reverence to the inhabitants of that city who enjoy the affection of the Lord in no small degree. I ask you, if you can, this is not a sales pitch, but Ramayana is guiding us in Kali Yuga. If we want to wash away these impurities from us in Kali Yuga, it is suggested that we should go to Awadpuri, go to the Sarju river, and wash away the impurities. Right here, we have tour going to India by Bhai Bharat, and thus we can join and go in pilgrimage into Sarju river one time when we go and wash away your impurities, wash away all of us, because none of us is perfect. It says, in no small degree we shall remove all these vices that we have. And when a great city of that we pay homage to this great city, what do we say? Nagari ho Ayodhya si everybody, let me clap, let me clap for the drummer. Ram, 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 Siya Ram. 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 One more time. Ram, 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 Siya Ram. Ram, 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 Siya Ram. Nagari ho Ayodhya se रघुकुल को सखराना हो शरण हो राघव के यह मेरा ठिकाना हो शरण हो राघव के यह मेरा ठिकाना हो शरण हो राघव के यह मेरा ठिकाना हो रघुकुल सखराना हो शरण हो राघव के यह मेरा ठिकाना हो यह मेरा ठिकाना हो यह मेरा ठिकाना हो। प्रेम से बोलो अयोध्यापुरी की। And this is the greatness of the city that we have come from in this Awadpuri. Mother Pita, many will be called every single day. I want to suggest something to you very nicely, but only a few will be chosen. Many will be called, but only a few will be chosen in this lifetime. Be the one that will be chosen. It depends on what you do, how you do it, and with what kind of satsang you associate with. बिनु सत्संग विवेक न होई, राम कृपा बिन सुलभ न सोई। नेक्स्ट लाइन, सत सुधरे सतसंगति पाई, पारस परसी को धाता सुहाई। Belong yourself to satsang like this. This is what's going to help us to neutralize the impurities that we have. Being in devotion, One person Sunday after Sunday after Sunday is in this mandir, whether it is 5, 10, 100 or 500 people. Bhai Nirmal, Daraji. He comes every Sunday morning and he's here. Let's give Daraji a round of applause. Every Sunday morning religiously he's here. He doesn't care about anybody else who come, but he's here for devotion. Bhai Roop, Auntie Mati, Auntie Chanu, Uncle Narayan, and all the likes of this temple. And every temple that you go to, from Palm Beach to Shiv Shakti Hanuman Mandir, to Krishna Mandir, wherever you go, everybody pay homage to their own village. And here we continue with Ramayana. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. एक बार बोलिए, जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। बनलो नाम राम रघुवर को, हे सुख सानु भानु, हे पाखर को, विधिया विधिहार, माये रपनासो, अगुण अनुपम गुण सुधारो। जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। बन गव नाम राम रघुवर को, बंदव नाम राम रघुवर को। Powerful Hindi language. नाम और राम रघुवर को। मैं श्री रघुनाथ जी की नाम राम की वंदना करता हूं, जो कृष्णानु भानु और हिमाकर का हेतु अर्थात रा और मार रूप से बीज है। वह राम नाम ब्रह्मा विष्णु और शिव रूप है। वह वेदों का प्राण है, निर्गुण उपामा रहित और गुणों का भंडार है। The meaning of this line is so powerful. The power of the name, what a composition of this name. I worship Sri Ram in the name of Raghunath Ji, which is the seed of Krishanu. Krishanu, that is of fire. Bhanu is said to be that of sun, and Himakar is that to be of the moon. That is in the form of Ra and Ma, in the form of the sun and the moon, with the presence of energy in Agni. Krishanu in this form is being referred to. Sri Ram is formed. And when the name Ram is formed of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, in this entity of this Trinity, the name Ram is formed. He is the life of the Vedas. He is devoid of qualities. He is without compassion, and he is a storehouse of qualities. When we keep Ramayana satsang like this, it is not about me. It's about the love, it's about the satsang, the message of our sacred scripture for all of us, to remind ourselves that we all that which we already know. What are the qualities of Sri Ram? Quickly, we will go through. 1. Priya Darshana. He is extremely handsome. Dharmajna. He is conscientious and he is diligent. Dradhavrata. He is determined. He is Viryavan. he is vigorous. Kritajna, he is grateful. He is grateful of being here amongst us tonight. Jita Krodo, he is the master of anger. How many of us can master anger? How many of us do get angry? You don't have to answer. Prabhu Ram is here to guide us what to do and how to do. If you worship him, you can control that element. Atmavan, he's courageous. He's self-composed. Gunavan, he's principled and he's virtuous. You must keep your bond. Your word is your bond. Be principled of who you are. It doesn't matter whether it's you alone have to come to temple. By Rup, by Nirmal. But they're here. They are principled. They are virtuous. Gunavan. Bibd, Yati Devaska. They are even feared by the Devas. Drutiman, one who is brilliant. Anasuyakha, one who is non-jealous. Satyavakyo, truthful. Samartha, one who is competent. Vidvan, one who is adept, one who knows everything. Sarvabhuteshu Hita, one who is benevolent to all living things. Charitre Trena Yukta, one is of good character and excellent behavior. What is required of us? Every day when we go out, when we rise in this morning, when we communicate with people, our Dharma Shastras guides us. Have the best character, of positive character, good character. When you come to this country, you have what you call a character reference. You go to the police for a police clearance. Guyana. You go to Trinidad for a police clearance. So what is your record? Here Sri Ram again is guiding us. You have nothing to worry or fear when you go for a police clearance, because if you have a good character in the name of Sri Ram, everything is okay. If we do otherwise, then we become more wise. And here it says, Bandav Naam Ram Raghuvar Ko. Kabaduri ho, hai kabaduri ho. रघुनाथा हमारे कबूरे हो, रघुनाथा हमारे कबूरे हमारे कबूरे हो, कबूरे हो, हरे कबूरे हो, नाथा हमारे कबूरे हो, रघुनाथा हमारे कबूरे हो। जैसे तुझे भक्त श्री राम को भक्ति श्री राम की बंदो नाम राम रघुवर को। Chaupai continues. Shall we sing together? Bolo Ram 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 Bolo Ram, Bolo Ram 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 Bolo Ram, Bolo Ram 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 Bolo Ram, Bolo Ram 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 Bolo Ram. एक बार बोलिए Ram 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 Bolo Ram, Bolo Ram 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 Bolo Ram. Nar Narayan, Nar Narayan, Sari Saraswata, Jagparak Jise Janata, Jai Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Jai Rama Jai Ram, Jai Rama. Bhagati Sutiya Karan Vibhusana, Jagahite Jai Rama Jai Rama सुभ्राता जगपालक विशेषी जगत्राता नर नारायण। ये दोनों अक्षर नर नारायण के समान सुंदर वाही है। ये जगत का पालन और विशेष रूप से भक्तों की रक्षा करने वाले हैं। ये भक्ति रूपिणी सुंदर स्त्री के कानों की सुंदर आभूषण है और जगत के हित के लिए निर्मल चंद्रमा और सूर्य है। नर नारायण, who is Nar and who is Narayan? Sri Ram is the reincarnation of which devata? Ekshavaga Parsa, Antimari, Bhagwan Vishnu. She got a correct answer. Let's give her a round of applause. Sri Ram is one of the 10 major incarnations of Lord Vishnu, and there are 14 minor incarnations of him. In this Chaupai, Nar Narayan Sarisa Subhrata, these two letter words, Ra or Ma, are like twins of Nar Narayan. They are the protectors of the world, especially to the devotees, to his devotees, Sri Ram. Their soundness like lovely jewels in the ears of the beauteous faith, the sun and moon shining clear for the good of the world. So, really, who is Sri Ram? Who is he? Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram. Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram. Ram Ram Shri Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram. Ram Ram Shri Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram. Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Shri Ram 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 Bhaj Ram. Bhaj Ram Ram Shri Ram 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 Shri Ram. Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Bhaj Ram. Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram. Lord say Ram Ram Bhaj Ram. Ram Ram Shri Ram Bhaj Ram Ram Shri Ram. Bhaj Ram Ram Shri Ram. Bhaj Ram Ram Shri Ram. धर्म काज पृथ्वी पर आए दशरथ जी के कहाए। जनकपुरी में शिव धर दोरा सत्य सिंहासन नाथा जोरा। सिया सिया बलराम प्रभु का लागे सीताराम। बज राम राम सिया राम, बज राम राम सिया राम। बज राम बज राम बज राम बज राम बज राम बज राम सिया राम। राम से बड़ा राम का राम, राम से बड़ा राम का राम, राम से बड़ा राम का राम, बड़ा राम का राम। बज राम 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 बज राम। राम से बड़ा राम का राम, 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 राम से बड़ा राम का राम। प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की, प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की, प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की। And this is the power of the name of Sri Ram. राम से बड़ा नाम का नाम brings me to the final doha tonight. Tonight, as a day during the week, the weather is blessed. We are blessed because it says in the very first doha, the rain will fall. It says so. Tulsidas dreamt about it. We did puja. It has happened. We are blessed with all of you. We are blessed to have this puja, this session here tonight. And in this here, final doha. Let's capture from her for the final doha, please. एक चत्रु एक मुक्तमाई in this final lines of tonight कथा। तुलसीदास कहते हैं श्री रघुनाथ जी के नाम के दोनों अक्षर बड़ी शोभा देते हैं, जिनमें से एक रखार छत्र रूप से और दूसरा मकार मुक्तमानी अनुस्वर रूप से सब अक्षरों के उपार है। Again, Tulsidas says, both letters that we recite of Sri Raghunath Ji, the name gives great beauty. One gleams like a royal umbrella, the first word Ra, and the other word Ma, and the other like a crest jewel over the letters of the alphabet. When the greatness of a name hits us in our Dharma Shastras, when we pay homage to Sri Ram, we brought him in, we aarti him, we puja kare, we give chandan, we worship Sri Ram. And if somebody that we can came in a physical form for more than 500 years and we can still worship him, then there has to be some different kind of element of Sri Ram. It's not everybody we worship. There is a, what you call, a renaissance in India today, everybody marching from gully, and they're walking with goblets of Ganga Jal on their head. They walk with food, bare feet. They go into Ayodhya Dham, Awadpuri. And this is the things that we should do, because there has to be some kind of elements that connects with the cosmos. After all, his name Ra or Ma comes from the sun and moon. Ramayana speaks to us. And if the narration of this message here tonight is to leave you with this, it doesn't matter which country we go to. I don't want to mash on nobody's feet. You are a human being first. You're a Hindu. And when somebody is born out of your DNA, your kul, it is important. According to Namkaran Sanskar Vidhi, we should get a name. What the name should begin with based on the cosmos and the time of birth. In Namkaran, we should never run away from that. It is prescribed in Ramayana for us to guide us. We should name or have powerful name. Hindu name is so powerful, it has a meaning. And if you don't want a name that has a meaning, then you have no identity. And if you have no identity, then you are like somebody on the street with no sense of direction, no purpose. The cosmos will not be aligned with you. And when things happen, you want to know what happened. Why? You go to the Pundit. You come to me to Open Jyotish. I can't help you then. It is important we speak with our family, our children, our grandchildren, and guide them to this path of righteousness. Naam Ram Raghuvarko. I'm full of conviction to it. What do we sing when we have a great name like this? What's the next line? Vastu amor diya mere sadguru, vastu amor diya mere sadguru, mere paar apnayo payo ji maine Ram ratan The bhajan speaks, the poet writes that janam janam ke paap, when we chant his name, cycles of birth and birth over, that we will be purified in his name. Janam janam ki punne jeevai, janam janam ki janam janam ki punne jeevai, punne jeevai, punne jeevai, punne jeevai, janam janam ki janam janam ki Bhava Sagar se aayo, aayo je mere Ram सत्य के नाम केवतिया सतगुरु, सत्य के नाम, his name is truthful. Kevat, the both man, before he took him across, he had to wash his feet as a Patyam and he became a guru of Kevat. And when someone is truthful, this is what a guru you want. Satya ke naam केवतिया सतगुरु, केवट सतगुरु, केवट सतगुरु, केवट सतगुरु, सत्य के नाम केवतिया सतगुरु, भवसागर से आयो पायो जी में राम रतन पायो, पायो जी में राम रतन पायो, राम 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 राजा राम 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 dust of his feet, he would worship Ram, 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 Raja, Ram, 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 Raja, Ram. Everybody, Jai Hanuman, Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapis, Jai Lokal, Ram Durga, Balrama, Anjali Mukha, Mahavira, Vikram, Bajrangi, Kumadini, Varas, Mukhe, Sangi, Kanchana, Varana, Virata, Suresa, ऐसे हमने राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमने राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमने राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमने राम भक्त हितकारी। हाथ बज और बजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज डरे वो सब, शंकर सूर केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महान, विद्यावान बुद्धि अनुसार नाम काम करके को चरित्र सुमरे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी। सूक्ष्म रूप धन सिंह गावा, रूप धरे लंक जना, रूप धरे लंक राम रघुपति बहुत बड़ाई, प्रिय ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी। सहस्रवदन तुमरो यश गावै, अस कैसे पद ग्रंथ लगो, संसार ब्रह्मादि के साकार सागर सहित लगी, जब कुबेर दिखपाल कहाते, कहो कैसे है कहानी, तुम पुकार सुग्रीव ही तेरा, राम राज राज फल दे भला, भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माला, लंकेश्वर भय सब जगता, युग सहस्रो जल परमाणु, तेजो ताहि मधुर फलका, प्रभु मोदिका तुम्हारे कल दिलांग जय, दुर्गा माँ काज जगत के देख, सुर मनोरा तुम्हारे देख, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी। राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे, मोदन आज्ञा बिन पैसा, सब सुख रहे तुम्हारे सरना तुम रक्षक, आपन तेज समान हो आपे, तीन लोक समापति पावे, उदर पे साथ तक नहीं आवे, महादेव जन राम सुरावे, हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी, ऐसे हमरे राम भक्त हितकारी। नासे रोग हरे सोभिया जगत निरंतर हम बोलवे संजत से है हम स्वामी मन ध्यान सब करुणा सरस्वीरा भक्ति के पास धन्य साध और मनोरथ जो कोई आवे सोई ज्ञान जीवन फल पावे ऐसे हमने राम करते ऐसे हमने राम करते ऐसे हमने राम करते चारों करता तुम्हारा है परिस्थिति जगत दिया साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकट राम द्वार स्मरति न जानती माता रावण सावन तुम्हारे पासा शरण हो रघुपति के दास हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी तुम्हारे भजन हमको पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख सलाम अंधकार रघुबर गुरु जावे कहा तुम्हारे भक्त का और प्रेम भक्त नाम लगे हनुमत से विसर्ग सुधारे संकल्प करते मिलते सब मेरा जो मेरे हनुमत बल मेरा ऐसे हरे राम ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम हितकारी जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की जो सतबार बात कर बोले जो नहीं मन में बहार करोए जो ना बोले हनुमान जैसा होई सिद्धि साधी होए सब तुलसीदास सदा हरे तेरा ये जगा गए मेरा तेरा हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी ऐसे हरे राम भक्त हितकारी जय हनुमान जय बजरंगी जय हनुमान जय हनुमान 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 जय बजरंगी जय हनुमान 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 जय हनुमान जय हनुमान जय हनुमान पवन तले संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसो अस्या भजना चक्र जय शरणं करो उमापति महादेव की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय शरणं प्रभु प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की Mothers and fathers, I will ask the children to please step forward and share a little bit of what the significance in the name of Sri Ram. These are children in our community. We like to recognize them as they come forward and they participate, because the whole game of this is about participation. We ask the kids to come forward and explain a brief 2 lines as the significance of Ra or Ma. Let's give them our undivided attention for a couple of minutes. I would like to ask Bhai Nirmal, please stand by for a bhajan. I didn't hear you sing. We can't close Aarti without you not singing, please. No, you. Please and thank you. I love you, buddy. So, stand up. Let's give them a round of applause of bravery. And you want to stand up or go stand up with them? Guru, stand up with them. Sri Ram, let's give him a round of applause too.
R stands for righteousness.
Hold the paper up. Hold the paper, let people see. Good job.
Sri Rama is known for his adherence to Dharma. He always followed the path of Dharma as a prince, a brother, a husband, a son, and a human being, never wavering from his moral principles, even in the face of great adversity. He always stood for what was right.
A stands for abstain. Sri Rama always abstained from being consumed by envy. When Rani Kaikeyi asked Raja Dasarath to banish Sri Ram was not envious of his brother Bharat. Instead, he stayed loyal to his family and left Ayodhya with his brother Lakshman and wife Sita with no complaints.
M stands for Master of Anger or Jita Krodha. Sri Rama is always calm and is often the one to control the anger of others, so tensions do not escalate. This can be seen during the various times that Sri Rama has had to calm down his brother Lakshman because of his tendency to lose his temper quickly.
A stands for adapt. Sri Ram is the knower of everything. Our figure. He is well learned when it comes to the scriptures. His knowledge can be seen when Hanumanji is disguised as a Brahman. Sri Ram glorifies the Brahma speech and how much he had studied the scripture. With this comment, it has suggested that Sri Ram himself is very well versed in Veda's concepts.
Let's give them a round of applause, please. Thank you very much. I have a request and a favor from everybody. Can you repeat after me? Please, I beg you. I love Sri Ram.
I love Sri Ram.
So say, I love Sri Ram. I love Shiva. I'm a Hindu today. I'm a Hindu tomorrow. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri Ram. Thank you very much for your listening. A pleasure with all these beautiful children. Sri Ram, thank you very much. You may take a seat. We have a beautiful bhajan now from Bhai Darashi Nirmalji. Do. While he's getting ready, I just want to bring you up to date that we are supported by Peace India Tours tonight. We are also supported by Peace Photo Works. Any photo for birthday and elsewhere, you can support him. I think Duvi has a couple more.
Nanapuranaman adbhut ye saal Hari kar se baj raha Hari ki hai awaaz Nand jit bhore maino saasot taan bhore Jai Siya Ram Ram Jai Radhe Shyam Jai Siya Ram Ram अब तो इस बंदे मंदिर में प्रभु का हुआ बसेरा प्रभु का हुआ बसेरा मदन हुआ मन मेरा ज्योत जन्म जन्म का फेरा जन्म जन्म का फेरा मन की मुरलियों में हो मन की मुरलियों से